Okay. If everybody saw the last stream, welcome to this stream because I have a solution that is not very advanced, but will do the job. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back for a second. Or wait, let's load up main space gems. 210? Yeah. Okay, we're going to save that one now as 212. Okay, and we'll go in here. May 13th? Oh. Okay. Whoops. Alright, so we're going with main space gems 212. Class planets 131? I don't know. Say we're going back to 130. So 131 is messed up. We'll probably have to change this one. So we're going to go file save as 132 2.h. Okay. Okay. Putting this in class planets. I'm in a much better mood as regard. This one just fix everything. I'm in a much better mood too as regards to everything because tomorrow is my Friday, or later today is my Friday. So I only got one day off and then I switched jobs and that was interesting. Let's see, what am I doing there? Okay. Oh, we could use ChatGPT, but I don't think we'll need him. Her, him. Let's do Leonardo. Leonardo's fun. Recent creations. Wait, can we go back to my personal feed and look at some of this stuff? Okay. Cool. This is bizarre. Yeah. Isn't this stuff bizarre? Okay, so let's go there. Let's go there. Generate with this model. 768. Okay, so the prompt ideations, those you don't get back, or how often do those recycle? Why don't those recycle? Why don't you get more of those every day? Alright. Anyways, we'll play around with that. So the main thing we want to do is class planets 132. Okay, so where was the collision? Wait, right here. Collision callback. Okay, so right before the collision callback, okay, so the variable that we want to set, we want to make it up. We're going to make it up. Total flowers, total crystals. That's fine. Now we're going to go with, just call it type destroyed. We're going to start it at 0. Okay. So then we'll go down here. So reset the projectile. Grid size type. And it's 3. So what do we do right now? What's it doing? Let me look. Because it's... yeah. Show me. Is it displaying? I don't see the white. Oh, it came up. Okay. So there it resets. That resets. Do we get new crystals, or do we just get... Yeah, this is a new crystal, right? Or are they just flowers? Oops. Alright, so it's going through all that right there. So what we want to do right here, so that we can properly use the collision callback, is set the type whether it's a flower or a crystal. So how do we know at that point? P recycle I. Bum, 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 bum. So GLM distance, planet moon SI, planet moon BI. So SI is the ship firing, fire distance times fire angle. Okay, so BI is the thing. Okay, so let's go BI. So let's set it right here before we recycle the particle, because P recycle is going to do this stuff here. See, random, TNR, A. GST is going to get reset, am I right? In here somewhere. So GST, it gets reset right down here, or right there. Okay, so we don't want that to happen. We do, but we want it to happen after this. Okay, so set global class variable to type of item destroyed, flower or crystal. And we'll just have to do this every time before an item is destroyed. So we're going to say type destroyed. And that doesn't, why didn't it IntelliSense complete? I don't know. Okay, it doesn't know either. Type destroyed equals, so what are we looking at? PLMN BI, right? Dot GST dot, what is it? I'm not getting this IntelliSense. You're giving me some anxiety. I've had enough trouble with tribbles. Okay, so we'll just go with Z, and that's a float. Okay, so we need to cast that to a GLU int, which I'm not excited about. So type destroyed equals that, and then we will fire off the collision callback. Okay, so the collision callback is now, isn't that a member of this class? Set collision callback, where's the... Or is that defined? Am I still doing that in main? I'm still doing that in main down here. Hold on. Collision callback. It's not there. It's down up. It's right here. Okay, so flower, a beautiful flower, and new item. Okay, so here now, what we do is so instead of that, what we do is, so, and then hold on. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. It's not there. So we've got two of these here. So it's either 7 or 1 plus 0 to 5. So 1 to 6 or 7 is the type. Wait, what? Space Planets 116. Computer, you gonna open it? Okay, that took forever. Literally forever. So it is, okay, less than 7 is this, equal to 7 is that? So it is 1 through 6. Okay. Wow, that sounds funky. Okay. Where was I at now? Type destroyed equals that. So 1 through 6 or 7, I'm just, okay, hold on. Let's go like this. If PL MN computer, again, this IntelliSense is now working when I do not want it to work. Son of a bean dip. Sorry. It's less than 7. Then we want to do this. Type destroyed. See, no, it's not that. Okay, but let's just do 1. Let's just do set it equal to 1. I don't want to do an else if, I really don't, so I'm just gonna not do an else if. Wow, this music is amazing. It's so beautiful. Okay, 1 or 2, that's it. Okay, so 1 is going to be the type of flower, isn't it? The flower? So 1 is the type of flower, right? Flower. 2 is the crystal, it's just the 1, 7. Okay, where am I? Right here, okay. So 7, so this is a... Excuse me. Okay, so type destroyed, and then we call collision callback. Okay, so then we're down here. And you can do whatever you want, computer down there, whatever. Okay, so collision callback. And then we are here. And the collision callback right here. It's 3:30 in the morning. What's up? Somebody there? Say hello. How you doing? I'm not watching chat though, so I apologize. So now we can go if type destroyed equals 1. Then wait, so hold on. So how can I instantiate a type of an item without creating a... Let's use ChatGPT, see if it'll do it. Oh, chat, how you doing? Not you, chat, ChatGPT. But how you doing too? All right, finish loading the conversation. Takes about a half a minute. That's a rather extensive conversation. Okay, I'm working on this function, and I want to create an object item. Then if type destroyed equals 1, I want to set it to a flower item. And if type destroyed equals 2, set it to a crystal item. Then call the on collision with on collision. Let's see if that'll do it. Computer, I hit enter. Okay. See, I said just code, it didn't do just code. It gave me an explanation. Certainly. Here's an example of how you can update the set collision callback function to create the appropriate item based on the type destroyed value and pass it to the onCollision function. Type destroyed equals 1, item new flower. Oh, you just put the function call inside like that, and it's using an else if. Okay, fine. I'm sold. I'm sold on that. As long as I didn't have to type it out, I just copy paste it. I'm so lazy these days with ChatGPT. That's fine. That works. Type destroyed equals 1. Type destroyed equals 2. This, that, the other. Computer, wait, why is there squiggly? Why is there squiggly? Because we're not in this. Oh yeah, that's right and stuff. That's right and stuff. There we go. There you go. There you go. Listen. Now there you go. Listen. As soon as we compile, the squiggly will go away. Hopefully. Equals 1 equals 2. Shiny crystal flower and give it a value to. Okay, whatever. Don't run into any errors. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Whoops. Errors? What the heck? Run the last successful build? No. Type destroyed is not a member of Planets 1. Computer? Hold on. I feel like the music is just like appropriate. I'm sad. It's not a member of Planets 1. I'm so sad. I'm heartbroken. I can't believe it. Now it's working. Everything's fine because I'm actually using the right .h file. Okay, so here we go. So we're just going to go, there's a crystal. Okay. And where's the flower? Oh, there's a flower right in front of me. Okay. So we did one of each, crystal, flower. Oh, we got one crystal, one flower. Okay, total number of items. Okay, now what we want to do set collision callback. Inventory, that's what I'm looking for. Class Space Trader 3, Inventory 3, okay. So we're going to update this, so let's go ahead and save it as 4. That cello right now is just beautiful. It is beautiful. There's 4. And then we need to go in here. Oops. Okay, so this is gonna work. We're excited. Wait, what are we doing, Peter? Oh, we have to tell it, but hold on. What was I doing? What did I have to do? I forgot now. I literally just forgot. Or no, I didn't. I remembered now. I just remembered. Okay. So push back item, add item to inventory, collision detected. Okay, so right here. Okay. Oh, I forgot to say be as brief as possible. I forgot to say code only. Oh, it was already good. Certainly, to stack items in the inventory instead of adding duplicate entries, you could modify the onCollision function as follows. For auto existing item, M items. For auto, check if the item already exists in the inventory. If existing item.getID equals item.getID. Oh, so when it's passing in the item, right. Item already exists, increment the quantity. Existing item.increment quantity. Is that a function of the item class? So pushback, M items pushback. Wait, what's it gonna do? Hold on, items. I don't have an increment quantity function. We iterate through the existing item and check if it has matches found in the quantity. We increment the quantity of that item instead of adding a new entry. If no match is found, okay, this way they are. Alright, we'll do that. As soon as it gives me the increment quantity function for the item. It's a really simple function. I just want to get used to using ChatGPT for these things. See? You can add this function to the item class in your code. In other words, Jeff, you're really dumb. Just put it in there. Alright, alright. Add item to inventory. So it's item colon add item to inventory. Wait a minute, we already have an add item to inventory function. Let's modify that. Let's see what this does. What was I going to do? So I was going to add this on collision. Oh, and then use this increment quantity. So let's see if it can do this. Certainly, here's the modified add item to inventory function that stacks items instead of creates duplicates. Check if the item already exists in the inventory. If item inventory get ID, item already exists, so increment its quantity. Oh, so we'll still need that increment quantity. That's fine. But then item does not exist, so create a new one, push it on the stack. Oh, exit the function. Okay, so add item to inventory. Here, let's go like this. Inventory, ID, name, description, value, quantity. Let's keep all this, because that's good. So this is going to be add item to inventory function. And we've already... Oh, we're modifying the items class too, so let's go up to version 2. Does that work? Okay, so where are we at here? Alright, let's do this right here. And then let's go down here. Create a new item. Push it onto the item stack. Boop. So now it'll check if the item already exists in the inventory. If item inventory Wait, what's this? Vector item inventory? I'm confused. Oh, okay, alright. That's parameter right there. Okay. Get ID equals ID. Item already exists, so increment it, increment quantity. Okay. And then it's still telling me that I need to put that in. So let's put that function in too. Alright, hold on, ChatGPT, hold on. You're being crazy. So does that do it? Or wait, is that the type? Item, increment quantity. M quantity. No, that doesn't do it. Or yeah, it does, because this is an item. See, I really can't think in terms of classes. I really am not comfortable doing that yet completely. So that's cool. So then we need the void increment quantity. We need the declaration of the function there. Okay, just like that. So that's like that. That's like that. And then here. Okay, so does that work now? So the other thing we need to do on collision, existing item increment, otherwise create new item. So did I do this already? Void inventory 1 on collision. So this is the new on collision function. Which actually takes place in the inventory on collision. Okay. And we already bumped this up to 4, right? So this one we're going to modify the on collision function. Oh wow, this music is beautiful. Okay, so that'll do that. Do we need to do this? Did we do anything else? We redid that. Okay, so this right here, so increment quantity. Item stacked in the inventory. Oh cool, new item added to the inventory. Okay. So do I do this? Add item to inventory. Inventory, get ID, increment quantity, return, new item, push item. Okay. Yeah, item. Okay, so we got that going. It's updated for. Okay, let's see what happens. An error. Get ID is not a member of item. It's not. Looks like it is. ChatGPT, you little spell checker. Can't believe I made that mistake. That's funny. Okay. Bloop. Bloop. One of each. Stacking. Okay. So updating inventory. Total number of items 1. Updating inventory. Collision detected. It doesn't actually print out. Hold on. Items 2, inventory 4. So on collision from the inventory, Oh, so when am I supposed to call that? Is it right here? So I think I'm supposed to modify the collision callback to, no, the on collision function, excuse me. So I think I need to modify the on collision function. Or did it already tell me how to do that? Yes, you can modify the onCollision function in inventory1 class to use the add-item to inventory. Here's the modified code: m items, get ID, get name, get description, get value, get quantity. So on collision, I do that. In the inventory class. Okay. So does that work now? The way I'm thinking it does? No. Get ID is not a... Oh, computer, you made the same mistake. That's funny. Alright. Oops. Another add item to inventory. Identifier not found. Okay, so is that... Wait a minute. Oh, so add item to inventory. Oh, that's the item. Let's try it again. Give me the actual error. All right. Okay, so was it not supposed to be a part of the item class? It seems that the add item to inventory function is not visible within the inventory class. That's because it's in the item class. Computer? This is feeling rabbit hole-ish again. Add item to inventory. Well, we weren't using it. See what it says to that. Stop generating. Alright. Apologies for any confusion caused. If you intended to have the add item to inventory function in the inventory class, you can move the function to the appropriate location within the class. Here's the corrected code. On collision, add item to inventory. Rest of the class. By moving add item to inventory function into the inventory class, you can now call it within the on collision function without any issues. So the inventory class has the on collision function. Oh. So, oh. Well, I made a copy of these, so I can do whatever I want here. We can just take that out. Wait, let's do this. Certainly, here's the updated function declaration for that. Oh, okay. Oh wait, that's the, it just gave me the definition. I want the declaration. See if it actually knows what I'm talking about. There you go. int ID. Wait, how come it doesn't have the inventory thing? That's not the... See, because it takes an item inventory. That doesn't look right. I'll try it. So there's that there. Go like that. I don't think it's gonna like that. See? STD vector item. Hold on. Hold on, computer. I think that's my declaration right there. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, did I put it over the int? Okay. Now does it work? The error gave me the answer. Wait, that might not be it. Inventory redefinition of default argument parameter 1. Redefinition. Oh, that's because up here it's actually... Yeah, let's just say... int. I don't like to do that anyways. Okay, let's see if this works. Where's another flower? There we go. Okay, flower crystals. See, so it's stacking now. Total number of items. It still just says collision detected updating inventory. That's okay though. It's working. Okay, so we got the item inventory stacking is working. All right, that works. Okay. Oh, anybody follow? Cool. Let's see. So that's nice. That's very good. Okay, let's do a Leonardo and see if we can do, let's see, prompt generation, image generation. So let's say Space Trader, voxel. Actually, let's go 3D voxel, Space Trader, inventory, GUI, stacking items. And let's go prompt generation. Let's go to ID8. Let's get 4 different ones. This will be the thumbnail for the video. See what we get. That looks cool. That looks cool too. These are all looking cool. I notice how it has like a color theme that it kind of sticks with, but that's okay. Wish I could break it out of that color theme. I guess you have to provide it with the color theme in the prompt. Okay, which one of these do we like? This was the first one. I think I like this one. Let's download and save this one. Save it in pictures, that's fine. Let's go inventory. Actually, let's go Leonardo. Inventory GUI 01. Boop bop beep. Okay, there we go. Leonardo AI. This one looks kind of cool too, because that thing in the middle. Okay, I think we're good. And ChatGPT, thank you. There's nobody watching, that's fine. Let's end the stream. The music is stopped thanks to Steam's defunct music player.